Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Uh, Today is 25th December. 2020 is finally ending and I will be showing you my garden. This year I had to struggle a lot to find a lot of plants because of coronavirus and lockdown. But anyways, things are moving on. And let me show you what I have. Let me start with the marigolds. This year marigolds are doing quite well. These are the Incas and these are the regular ones. And I have strawberry, which is the first flower bloomed. And here I have alyssum. I grew this alyssum from cutting and it's flowering well. So you can grow them from cutting. I have detailed video, you can watch that too. Here I have coriander, which has grown well. Time to pick them up. This is dianthus. And these are the poppies. These are grown from seed. Here's the poppy, big one. This one I bought from a nursery. And here is the gazania that I grew from cutting, and now it's almost going to bloom. So gazanias grow well from cutting. You can see my gazania video in details. This is carnation. I will make a video of it when they grow. These are stalk. They came out automatically. I did not plant seed. Dahlias. Here what I did, I pruned the top. So now there are more branches coming up. You can do it if you want to do it. This makes your plant bushy. These are cosmos that I planted in a plastic bag. Here's another one. I planted a lot together because I don't have much space. My tomatoes that are grown from seed are starting to bloom. I will make a video of how to grow tomatoes very soon. This plant is called cherry gold. This is a great plant and it's about to bloom. I will make a video of it after they start to flower. And this is my all-time favorite hollyhocks. This is a healthy plant. This one I grown from seed and this one I bought from a nursery. They're both doing fine. Here are my cosmos plants. See, they're starting to bloom and soon everything will just fill up with flowers. So as usual, I planted 5 plants in a 12-inch container. You can plant them like this, or you can plant one in one pot. Here's another plant. It's grown tall. It is in a plastic bag and is still doing fine. These are anthuriums. They're all grown from seed and buds are appearing. This one is red probably, and this one is either yellow or white. This is the anthurium jungle. These are the dwarf anthuriums. They don't get too tall. Here's another alyssum that I've grown from cutting, and they survived and they're going to bloom very soon. This is mallow that I've grown from seed. Here I have California poppy. This is a great flower, I love it. And these are nasturtiums. They naturally came from seed. They're starting to flower. This one is not flowering yet, but very soon they will flower. This is another mallow, which I love, and they come out every year by themselves. I don't even have to save seeds for them. Volunteer plants. And this is the chrysanthemum that I've grown from cutting, and see how well they have grown. You can check out how to grow chrysanthemum from cutting in my channel. Now the problem I had this year is with the roses. Monkeys destroyed my roses. They ate everything. I had so many flowers here and so many buds here, but everything was destroyed by monkeys. I hate monkeys. Now there's new buds are starting here. I hope the monkeys don't return. Stupid monkeys. Here's my pansy. You can check out my pansy video. I have detailed description on how to grow them. This is aster. And aster is grown in a plastic bag. I don't have pots. Asters do well every year. And this is my French marigold, which is really doing good this year. This is also in a plastic bag. If you don't have containers, you can use plastic bags to grow them, because they do very well in plastic bags. And here is a marigold that I've grown from cutting, which is really doing well. It is in a plastic bag as usual. And here is my favorite, Coreopsis. I have the detailed Coreopsis video, you can check that out. I love them. They grow by themselves every year automatically in my garden. I don't have to save seeds, I don't have to sow seeds. They just come up every year and they bloom amazingly. They look amazing. And this is my all-time favorite, petunias. Now all the petunias in my garden are from seed. As you can see in my gazania, oh my god, in my gazania plant there are so many petunias. There are petunias here, there are petunias everywhere coming up, so I don't really have to buy petunias. This is a verbena, this is gazania, and this plant will fill up. Here's another dwarf gazania, and this is, oh my god, I forgot the name. This is, oops, I forgot. Never mind. I will write the name here. The buds are coming, and it's a great plant. I forgot the name. Here is calendula. This is a great plant. Look how beautiful they look. This is a very easy plant. Doesn't require much. I will make a video soon. Here are petunias again. Petunias in plastic. This is phlox. I grow them every year. They have scent and they look great. They're still small. When they will grow, they will fill up with flowers. Here is another. And you can see anthurium sapling growing here automatically. And so many petunias. Here's petunias again. Petunias are everywhere. This is grown from seed. It's already going to flower. This is stalk. This is probably hybrid stock. Here is another petunia. And here is another Coreopsis. These are jarberas. And they are almost 4 years old. Not yet flowering, but they will flower very soon. This is salvia. Still small. Salvia is great. Another set of asters in a plastic bag. And here's another petunia, self-grown. And you can see there's so many petunias coming. I have a petunia jungle. Now let's see my nursery. Here is the plants that I've grown from seed. All those petunias, I had to plant them here. And here are anthurium saplings, nasturtium saplings, stalk, Coreopsis. And this one I bought. This is Cineraria. This is a great plant. And this is called Impatience. I will make a video when they flower. So that's it. This is my garden. And these are my old chrysanthemums. They are like 4 or 5 years old, I guess. But still they're flowering well. Look at this one. Ooh, they're jam-packed. And here's another one. This one looks great. It's pink colored. So this is it. It is my garden so far. I will be planting more plants as soon as I find more varieties. This year I couldn't find a lot of varieties. Oh, here is a adenium that I grown from cutting, and see, the buds are already here. My chilies. I pruned it. Now new leaves are coming. So that's it. I have more empty pots. So that's it. I will give you an update when everything starts blooming. See you next time. Stay happy. I hope your new year is good. Bye.